So then an element, as you know, is made up of atoms. Now, from last class and from your books, definition is on page 22, if you're following along, then you know that the atoms are the smallest unique particles in an element. So in other words, Mr. Mian, why don't they just say the smallest particles ever? Because you have even smaller than atoms. You have electrons, protons, neutrons, but electrons, protons, and neutrons are found everywhere, and they're found in every single element. On the other hand, an atom of one element is not the same as the atom on the other element. For instance, you can think of atoms as little spheres, and there are probably a lot of chemistry majors that would kick me for saying that. You know, you have so many different interpretations of the atom. You have the Niels Bohr representation, and then down the line, a bunch of chemists have altered that. But we're going to go ahead and stick to simple facts. So if you grab a piece of material and you zoom in, and zoom in, and zoom in, you see different, you see, let's say, a piece of wood or something, and you zoom in all the way, you can see tiny, tiny little spheres, in theory, called atoms. Okay, now electron microscopes are the only ones that are powerful enough to supposedly recently have seen the bumps of what an atom is. So just, you know, very recently we've seen the evidence of the first atom.